Hey everybody, welcome. My name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can easily add code to your footer. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in your dashboard and then just go to Appearance and go to Theme Editor. When you're in the Theme Editor, you want to just click here to Footer. And I will show you how to add a code. So let's say this is a footer code, and I will just get some code here from L-Site. It's a widgets company. They make a lot of widgets. If you want to check something out, just go to your description and click on a link. And I will just write here WhatsApp, and I will create a WhatsApp widget. Now here, I'm going to choose this one. You just easily add here your number and click Save. And now I will just copy the code and I will edit right here. You can edit also like here under the div, it's up to you, and update the file. And when I go now to my website, let's see. Voila, here we got perfect WhatsApp chat in the footer. Pretty easy, pretty simple, and it's everywhere on every page. Right? So this is how we do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. Thank you everybody, have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.